convertible time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1997 Jaguar XK8. Anthracite in color, so kind of a dark charcoal, if you will. Have some metallic to it. Also, I would say a dark charcoal leather interior. Now, this particular car, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirms miles, 64,000 and some odd miles. Previous owner of this car had it for approximately 12 years. Came out of Oklahoma before that, so it has not seen Minnesota winters or any sort of inclement weather as far as winter goes. Riding on aftermarket chrome wheels. Powered by the 4-liter V8 all aluminum dual overhead cam engine underneath the hood. And that's paired up with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out the underside of this car, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. You do have a few little spots that are touched up as far as little rock chips. If I can spot a few in the hood here. So paint on it, presentable. Is it perfect? No, but it's still very nice. Absolutely. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, all your luxury options that you would have gotten a Jaguar back in '97. Power top, memory seats, power mirrors, dual power seats. These cars, I believe their base models were around 70 grand. Think of that, back in 1997. Wow. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'm going to give you a little tip. The actual keyhole for this car, if you want to get into the trunk, is right between those two letters right there. And if you bump the valet mode button kind of down by your left knee on the dash of the car to deactivate it, you need to open the trunk with the black key in that trunk keyhole. Power top is in working order. Dual power seats, both working. Again, check out the still pictures so you can see the trunk. You can check out the underside. You can see the interior. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. There is a little kind of dinger and scuff back here, if you can see it right there. There you go. Give you an idea. And there's a few little ones around the car. There's one right there. But if you're looking for a car you can get in and drive, put the top down, have some fun. A lot of miles of enjoyment left in this one. Alright, let's check out this interior. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run, check out that engine bay. Of course, power windows, mirrors, memory seating over here, Harman Kardon stereo, dual power seats. There's a little bit of wear. It's not worn through or anything like that, but you do have a little bit of wear in this bolster like you'd kind of expect from getting out of it with the leather interior, but that's kind of really the only spot. Of course, the wood grain dash and steering wheel and center console, shift knob. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your actual miles also, 64,509. Alright, check out this dash a little closer. First off, no cracks, weather checking, fading, anything like that. No warning indicators on the dash. Would have steering wheel controls for volume. You'd also have steering wheel controls over here for the cruise control. Automatic climate control. AC does work, by the way. It is blowing cold. Heated seats both sides. AM FM cassette up here with a CD changer in the trunk. Alright. Something else I'm going to do quick while we're in here. It does have a power top. I'm going to power this top up. So when we get out, it'll be closed. We can check that out. Being as it is just a one-touch button right here and go. It's going to automatically latch here for us and everything. We'll also roll up the rear quarter windows. All right, top up, so we can check that out. Check out the engine bay. All right. Barely hear it run, smooth running car. Here's your cloth top. Great shape. It's going to keep you dry, out of the sun, elements. It's a little too hot out for it to be down. AC works, put the top up. Rear defrost, glass window. And again, see the top's in fine shape. I don't know if you noticed while I was walking around back here, but again, barely hear that thing run. Quiet compared to a lot of these muscle cars I'm used to doing and hot rods. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, 4-liter V8, all aluminum, dual overhead cam. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. And take a look at the headliner, how clean it is. That's how you can tell it's not been driven in any sort of Minnesota winters or inclement weather that have a bunch of salt. It's going to get up there. Road grime, salt, debris dries on your hood liner. Leaves it all stained. So a good sign. Hear how smooth that runs. Once again, you're looking for a fun summer car, power convertible top, and think, around 70,000 brand new in 97. It's not going to break the bank like that anymore. You can get in this one, have some fun without breaking the bank. 1997 Jaguar XK8, clean Carfax, 64,000 approximate miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
You like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.